So let's take a look at how you can add a new case in Salesforce dashboard. So if you have developer account, sign in, and here at the top you see global actions menu. Simply click on that and then you get menu options that allows you to add event, task, contact, call, case, lead. So here we are going to create new case. So simply click on that. That should open small window on right hand side. Okay, on this column here you can choose from contacts. So let's choose our first contact. Then you can choose the case status. So if it's new case, you can select as is or working, then choose that. Escalated if it is escalated in some way to another contact, you can point that out. Closed if you have already have it closed or closed through the process. Okay, so let's choose new. In subject, let's say IoT vendor case. Okay, IoT vendor New York sales case. Okay, so this is, let's say, set to 2020 June. Then I have added that in description. Now I will save this, which will save this case. Okay, as you can see, now case is saved with specific number that you can see here, 00001026. So you get the idea how to create new case in Salesforce dashboard.